I'm Susan. Today I'm making a dessert that both of my boys love, and it's called Butterfinger Blondies, and it's really good, it's really sweet, but it sure is good and addictive. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're having a great day. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of butter, which has been softened, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of coarse sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 16 of the fun-sized Butterfingers coarsely chopped. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I want to cream my butter and sugars in a mixing bowl. Now I want to add my vanilla and eggs and mix until incorporated. Now on a low speed, I want to add my dry ingredients, just until they're combined. Now I'm going to stir in my chopped Butterfingers, and I'm going to spread it in a 9 by 13 inch dish, and I'm going to bake it for 25 minutes or until center is just set. I did spray my baking dish. And here it is baked. It only took mine about 20 minutes, and you want to let this completely cool before frosting. For your Butterfinger Buttercream frosting, you'll need 1/2 cup of room temp butter, 1/2 cup of vegetable shortening, 2½ to 3 cups of powdered sugar. I've got 2½ in my bowl, and I got the other half on standby in case I need it. And you'll need 4 fun-sized Butterfingers chopped. You'll want to cream your butter and shortening together until smooth. Now you'll want to add in your powdered sugar on low speed, and then turn the speed up to medium and mix until smooth. And I start out with 2½ cups of powdered sugar and only add more if it's runny. I did not need the extra 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. So this time I just stir in my chopped Butterfingers. And then once I get it all mixed together, I'll spread it on my cool blondies.
and I couldn't wait. This was so good. This is one of my favorites. It's very addictive and very, very sweet and rich. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.